Hello, my name is Lawrence Bates, and in the next 3 minutes I'm going to attempt to demonstrate why your personal rights to liberty need to be protected. As you know, the American Declaration of Independence states that we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights, that amongst these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Notice that the right to liberty was not granted by the founders of America. They very wisely understood that if liberty is given by men, then it can also be taken away by them. Liberty in its essence is a natural right granted by our Creator, which cannot be taken away from us without just cause. Now that doesn't mean that we have the right to cry fire in a crowded theatre, since that would likely promote panic, and people could be harmed. Our freedoms do have limitations, but those limitations do not apply when our actions do not harm anyone, and that is a very important principle. It is particularly important in the area of real estate, where people's rights literally nudge up against each other. Over 100 years ago, the American Supreme Court clearly understood that what we now call property zoning laws cannot be allowed to infringe upon our constitutional rights when our actions harm no one. Now, trying to assert those same rights in court is becoming very difficult because there is no line in the sand beyond which zoning laws cannot encroach. My wife and I found that out the hard way. When we purchased this 10-acre property in Pentwater, Michigan, we found that we needed a small storage shed to properly maintain the property. Who could object to a 12-foot by 12-foot storage shed on a 420,000 square foot property, especially when that shed is 730 feet from the nearest single-track dirt road and cannot be seen from any neighboring residence? Unfortunately, that did not stop Pentwater Village from starting a court case against us, and the question now is, how far can local zoning laws encroach upon all of our natural rights to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness? These rights preceded the founding of America, and our possession of them has been protected by countless lives on battlefields at home and abroad. Men and women who would have preferred peace and quiet stepped up to defend their liberties and ours because the alternative was unthinkable. Are we now willing to allow those liberties to be eroded away by time? Or are we all called upon to plant a stake in the ground where property zoning laws end and the constitutional rights of each of us begins? Please check out the rest of this website to find out more about this important issue. Thank you very much, and God bless America. Thank you.